y'all, welcome back to Eat Well with Lisha, where we make wellness simple, sustainable, and full of flavor. I'm Alicia, and today we are talking about something else that I get asked all the time. How do you eat healthy without spending a fortune? Trust me, I get it. Between grocery prices and life just being life, staying on track and within your budget can seem impossible, but it's not. So let's get into some strategies that actually work. First up, plan your meals. I know it sounds basic, but planning your meals for the week helps you avoid last-minute takeout and keeps you from buying things that you don't need to. Even just jotting down a quick plan on Sunday can save you money and time during the week. Once you've planned those meals, make a list and stick to it. Grocery stores are actually designed to get you to impulse buy, but having your list keeps you focused and cuts down the waste. You'll buy what you need and avoid the extras that can add up fast. Things like oats, beans, rice, nuts, frozen veggies, those can be cheaper when you buy them in bulk. Just make sure it's something that you're actually gonna use. Do not go buy a 10-pound bag of quinoa if you've never made it before. Y'all already know I'm vegetarian, but if you're not, doing 1 or 2 meatless meals can seriously cut back on the cost of your food. Beans, lentils, eggs, and tofu are all super affordable sources of protein, and they're good for your health too. Don't sleep on those frozen fruits and veggies. They're picked at the peak of ripeness, they last longer, and they're often more affordable than fresh fruits and veggies. Plus, no guilt if you don't use them in time. I've got a bag of spinach in my refrigerator right now that did not get used in time. Batch cooking is your best friend. Make a big pot of chili, a stir fry, a grain bowl, and eat it a few times during the week. You'll save money and reduce the stress of having to cook every day. Before you even hit the store, check your pantry and your fridge. So many of us buy things that we already have. Guilty. So guilty. Challenge yourself to make 1 or 2 meals a week based on what you already have at home. That is money in your pocket. So there you have it. Eating on a budget is totally doable. It just takes a little strategy and a whole lot of intention. If you have any go-to budget meals or money-saving grocery tips, drop them in the comments. And if this was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe and share this with somebody who needs it. Until next time, eat well and take care of yourself. You deserve it.